Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I will be talking to our parents who do violence against their daughter. Please, violence is not good because especially your daughter. Please, violence is not good to your daughter. Don't be, don't be violent to your daughter. Don't be harsh on your daughter because all those children you are looking now, they have a lot of things in their mind, and when you started keeping violence, when you started angry, when you started shouting for your daughter, it will started keeping secret away from you because there is a little girl who a married man started sleeping at the age of 2 years. Because the mother was a type who always angry and who always have that hot temper. The daughter was afraid to tell the mother what she was passing through. Every day by day, when the mother go out, this guy keep on sleeping with that little girl. And when the girl now still grow up to the age of 13 years to 14 years, and the thing started happen to this girl. And because a mother was the type who has this hot temper, who they always fear. The tension of that the small girl doesn't allow the small girl to experience. Explain explain to a mother what she was passing through. You understand me? Because the tenant, the mother and the father were in house with, started sleeping with this small girl. After the mother and the father have gone to work, the guy, the man started sleeping with this small girl, and he sleep with this small girl to the age, from the age of 2 years to 13 years. And one day, the small girl run to me, brother, this thing, this is what I'm passing through. I say, what is happening? He said, I have something to tell you. I say, okay, I'm listening. He started pouring in the way the time the man started. The time the man started sleeping with her, I was the tears fall out of my eye. The tear fall out of my eye. Then I now told her, why can't you tell your mother? He said, if I tell my mother will kill me. If I tell my mother will kill me. Brother, beg, I want you to keep this secret. You understand me? Please, because if a mother was the type who talk to his daughter the calmly, the daughter will not be having that mind, that it will not be having that secret, will not be keeping the secret away from the mother. Please, our people, our mother out there, know the type of people you put in your house as a tenant. Know the type of people you rent the house with, because the type of people you rent house with determine the future. And please, keep on keeping her on your daughter is very vividly, because the lot of damage has been happened to our guests. The lot of damage has been happened to our guests. Please, our mother, keep eye on your daughter. Don't be violent. Don't be violent against your daughter, and don't be shouting on your daughter anyhow. Please be calm with your daughter, especially the female one, because the moment you started shouting, the moment the child know that you are the type that have a hot temper, they will be adding the secret away from you. Please, our mother, be calm and be patient, and take your children as your first priority before any else. Please, this is my little advice I have for you. And this is my little advice I have for the parent. Please, put your children first before any other thing. Please, I want you to subscribe to my channel, give a comment, and share. May God bless you all.